Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to BERT Model Implementation in Python. Introduction. Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, BERT, is a powerful pre-trained natural language processing, NLP, model developed by Google. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement BERT using Python with the help of the popular Hugging Face Transformers library. We'll cover the basics of BERT, its architecture, and walk through a step-by-step code example for text classification using BERT. BERT is a transformer-based model that can be fine-tuned for various NLP tasks, such as text classification, named entity recognition, and sentiment analysis. It's trained on a massive amount of text data and can capture context information effectively due to its bidirectional nature. Assuming you have a dataset with text and corresponding labels, load and pre-process it for BERT. Use BERT tokenizer to convert text data into tokenized format. Convert tokenized data into PyTorch datasets and create data loader instances.